Soon the year 2019 will bid us all goodbye and we all will be super excited and happy to welcome 2020. Which means it's a reason to celebrate, and celebrations call for grand parties. As you can see, I have mehendi on my hands. Hold on, don't freak out, it's because I recently attended my best friend's wedding. But today's POPxo Makeup Masterclass is all about slaying that glamorous party makeup look. So keep on watching to see how did I get this bold and beautiful makeup look. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. And while you do that, don't forget to check out POPxo.com. We have really cool merchandise. We have sweatshirts, t-shirts, doormats and a lot more. Also, we have this amazing beauty collection. The link to it is in the description box below. So go shop now.